Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, we have another exciting fall drop and it's from Zaket and Plover.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, she's pumped and I'm pumped too. A beloved line as well. A wonderful line that we are so happy with for so many years already.
Yeah,
right?
beautiful sweater line. Designed in Australia. Beautiful colors always.
Beautiful colors, very innovative, creative designs with color blocking and beautiful fabrics.
Yeah.
Absolutely
We've
gorgeous.
cherry picked this line for you lovelies. It's beautiful, exquisite, and it's perfect for fall.
Yeah, and you know what a lot of you lovelies like about it? You've told us that it's a fine knit. It's not a bulky one, right?
Yeah.
So you can wear it underneath and you can wear it when it's not that cold yet. It's just a fine wool, fine knit sweater.
Yeah, and most of them are 5% cashmere and 95% cotton.
Yeah.
So very natural.
Very natural.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Family owned.
Just like our natural linens here, just saying.
Oh, love linen.
We're kind of twinning here. We're in opposites.
Oh my God.
We're in the same colorway. Look at both of us in oatmeal.
This is really nice what you're wearing.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
I love this dress.
Honest to goodness, Tessa. It's 2 pieces.
It's 2 pieces. It's wonderful. And this color, I actually really like it.
She's stealing my color.
I know.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. Feels great.
Yeah, it looks great. So this is an overlay.
Yeah, so here, I'll show a picture of you lovelies when I styled it up of me just wearing the dress on its own. Beautiful neckline here, V-neck. Just a nice A-line style summer dress. We had a few colors in this dress. We have some left. I think there's a turquoise and there's like an army.
Oh, an army.
Yeah.
That's really pretty.
Yeah,
And
beautiful.
this is all in the sale. And moi, same label, right? Love linen.
Yeah, cutie pants.
The cutie pants with a little mesh bottom hem.
Yeah.
Very nice. I love these pants. I have them in from last year and I wear them a lot. Nice elastic waist / pockets and a great length. And then this very original little top.
I know. In the tie detail.
Tie
Yeah.
detail. You can
And
really put it
this
up.
is in the summer sale, ladies. So if you like, there's still a few left. I think we had the pants in black as well and a few other. This we have in the mustard, which is beautiful.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Oh,
The black
that would
pants.
be great with black
Stunning.
pants.
But this is your look, the white with the
This
oatmeal.
is my palette.
Yeah.
And it matches Charlie's
Oh my
palette
goodness,
on his
that is
little
so
furry
funny.
legs.
It does match Charlie.
There's a little dog walking out. It's the same breed. Charlie, when he lifts his tail, he's got a little heart on his bum. Have you ever noticed that?
I don't want to look at his bum.
Well, when you walk him, his tail
she's
is
so
out.
proud of him. His bum is a heart.
I know, really, it's funny. It's black, but then he's got that discolor, a little heart on his bum, and the little dog has the same
thing. Did you point it out to the owner?
No, I
You
didn't.
should.
No, the dog was so yippy yappy. We barely could talk. Way different attitude than this laid back dude. Lovelies, I have never seen a more laid back dog. Have you?
No.
Glenn, he had never in all his years, and he's got many years, he said he has never seen a dog like this.
He's so funny.
So we have this routine in the morning. I feed him, I, have my breakfast, then I go upstairs and change. And he comes upstairs and he lies on the bed. Then I go downstairs and he knows what's coming already, but he doesn't come off the bed. I have to call him. I'll say, Charlie, we're going for a walk. And he sits on top of the stairs. And then I have the leash in my hand and I say, come on. And he just sits and looks at me. I have to yell. I have to stand my feet. And then
he didn't even flinch.
slowly one paw comes and another paw comes and another paw. Then I have to stamp again, and then he speeds it up a little. It's like a theater. It's honest to God, it's like a movie. Every morning it's the same
You
thing.
have to get Glenn to film it. We'll put it in the video for you lovelies.
I will. You will see what I have to put up with.
Yeah. Oh my God. Well, I think anyone would take Charlie to put up with.
Oh no, honestly.
He's such a cuddle bug.
Yeah. We went away to college the other day, and it was 3.5 hour drive, and halfway through, Glenn said, oh my God, I forgot we have a dog in the back. Is he there? Is he still alive? Yeah, he's just lying there.
Oh,
he's great.
He's so cute.
Okay.
Beautiful though, your Siriglio I was just looking at.
beautiful. I love this
bracelet.
Tessa.
Look at the heart ring. That's a
Yeah,
beauty too.
it's
That's pretty.
such a talk about piece, right?
It is. And then those earrings are perfect
Yeah.
just because you have the collar. You don't want a necklace
I
or
know,
much.
you want something
Just
long.
a big
hanging.
drop. Yeah, nice. What do I have?
Oh, Tessa.
Ziska, look how beautiful with the pearls and the gold pearls. And then this is a majestic.
Oh,
Just to
nice.
give a little gold into it.
Very lovely.
You lovelies have transformed me into gold.
Yeah.
I used to only be silver.
Oh, yeah.
We would only carry silver in the boutique as well. We were a bit snobby like that.
You were ridiculous, really.
But now we've transformed over and
we
we're
made
loving
a
it.
big jump.
You even have in your daily necklace a little bit of gold in it.
A little bar of
A
coals.
silver with a bar of gold. All right, ladies, we cherry picked this line just for you. We have the cream of the crop and I cannot wait to show you. First of all, these are new. They did these beautiful scarves, which I cannot wait to style up for you. Yeah, it's like a
Oh my.
beautiful.
Tessa.
I know. So you can wear them over. I know. So you can wear them over just like a little cover when you're chilly.
Yeah.
You can definitely tie it up, bring it around.
Yeah.
They're beautiful. Feel it too. Doesn't that feel amazing?
Oh my goodness. That's so different.
Yeah. And then look at this beautiful mix.
My. I love that stripe.
Love the stripe.
That's oatmeal and black.
Yes.
Oh.
So you can also take it in the front.
Yeah. And do like an, oh yeah, I love that. Oh, love, love, love.
Isn't that beautiful?
Great, great, great.
Beautiful.
Oh.
And there's one more color. And it is blue with navy.
Nice color.
Yeah. Beautiful color. Again, you
Oh,
can play with how you're going to wear this.
It's funny. It's like a cotton knit, but very interesting. I love the fabric, the texture.
So this too is 5% cashmere and 95 cotton.
out.
Yeah, beautiful.
That's why it's so soft.
So soft.
Oh, really nice. Nice
So
colors
and they
too.
had these really nice sweaters. As you know, we love our stripes.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at how gorgeous that is.
Yeah, that is so Zaket and Plover with the cuffs and the little slit and
the rolled up hem. Yeah, and it feels amazing, ladies.
Yeah.
This is a nice light fall sweater. Now that color, I believe you can wear it with it, right?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, and then we did. Sorry, Mom. And then we did this color.
It is not the same color, Lovelies.
It's a little bit off.
It's a little off, but I like it.
Yeah.
Because it's the same colors, but a little different hue.
Yeah. And I'll style these up for you tomorrow and show you it together. But here, look at this.
Oh,
isn't that so
sumptuous.
rich and beautiful?
Sumptuous, yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
So that's with a black stripe.
Yeah.
And then again, this is a little bit off, but really, really nice textures together.
Oh, yes.
Colors,
I love
right?
that.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah, I know. Beautiful.
So interesting. With
So
the black
interesting.
jeans from Creases.
Yes, or the skirt, ladies. This skirt is my favorite.
It's probably in her closet already. Tessa. Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
I know you.
I'm sorry. I had to.
I know
I'm
you.
so bad too because I say to everybody, you can't take anything. It has to be on the floor for 2 weeks.
To me too.
But I ordered it for myself. This is when I'm buying, I get to order. I often ask you, would you like me to order you anything? No, I'm good. And then a year later, when it comes in, she says, well, how come you get that and I don't? And I'm like, well, I asked you if you wanted me to order you anything. But I do have it, lovelies, and we can reorder Grisas, so fear not. We're pre-selling those pieces that are sold out. So you will have, it'll be four to 5 weeks.
That's so nice that you can do that.
Yeah, it's great. So yeah, we have the pre-order up and you can pre-order. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm pulling everything out. This is really cute and I can't wait to show you because, well, I mean, Charlie, close your eyes, but we have so many animal lovers out there.
Yeah.
No, it is a cat sweater.
Oh my God.
And Charlie is terrified of cats.
Oh my God, this is too funny.
Because he was attacked by a cat.
Yes, twice.
Look at how cute.
It's a paws. And here, did you see this fish?
Yeah, the fishbone.
The fish bone.
It's sewn on.
Embroidered.
It's yeah.
Oh my God, this is the funniest
And look at the
thing.
collar here. It's also embroidered in the knit.
Oh, this is the cutest thing.
I could not resist, ladies. I know for you cat lovers.
Oh,
and
for
then look at
sure.
the back. There's a few little paws.
Oh, it is adorable. It is adorable.
And look at the green eyes.
Adorable.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm not
Anything cat we sell out of so quickly.
Really?
Oh yeah, everything. We still have the Bliss cat
Yeah.
ball bead sold out like so
Yeah,
quickly.
yeah.
Yeah, we had to reorder. You know us, so we always do 2 different colorways,
Oh,
just so
nice.
if you're not into the darks, you can go with the light gray.
Ah, see, I love that from them. They did the fuchsia. Love it. The color blocking.
Yeah, he's got little pink eyes. Look at how cute.
It is adorable.
This is such a great sweater,
Yeah.
ladies. And then it also had, look at in this one too.
Oh, for God's sakes, yeah.
Yeah. And they do have the side slit too. These
Yeah.
fit amazing.
They've
Lousje
got-
and I always wear a size small.
Yeah,
Goes up to extra large. And the
we
they
don't
fit-
have an extra small.
We don't order extra small, ladies. Lousje's a true extra small. She prefers the small in these.
Yeah, plus you don't want them skin tight. These
No,
sweaters.
it's nice to have a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, fun, eh?
Fun.
Fun. And one last one we have in 2 colorways. This is, look at how beautiful is this.
Beautiful, Tessa.
This has a beautiful boat neck, ladies.
And a sleeve, like a dolman sleeve.
Dolman
Yeah,
sleeve. This is a bit
beautiful.
boxier cut.
Yeah,
It feels so soft.
yeah, sumptuous.
Sumptuous.
Same pattern on the back. Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So just a beautiful sweater. Love it.
Gorgeous.
And it's got this little, you know, printy textured.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
stripes.
Yeah. But it's, look at the, like, it's just such a nice knit.
Yeah.
And this one too, I loved because
Oh.
navy is such a hot
Oh,
color.
Tessa, that is beautiful.
I know, navy with the chartreuse.
Oh my God, I love that.
And the kind of with
Gray?
it's gray, but with the navy, it kind
Oh,
of, yeah,
I love. And what a nice navy this is.
beautiful.
It's like an denim.
Heather. Oh, a denim. Yeah, it is called, the color's called denim.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it
Yeah.
looks like.
It's so beautiful.
Love this one. Love both
Yeah,
of them, but
yeah.
this is so unique. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our
Wow.
fall drop for Zaket and Plover.
And we're
It's
going to
gorgeous.
style it up.
Tomorrow we'll style it up with some beauties. I love wearing these sweaters with skirts, so I'm
Yeah.
definitely going to show you a skirt look and a pant look because I find it's, you know, I'm such a skirt
Yeah, it's
lover.
great. You probably have one of these in your closet too already.
No, I don't.
Okay. No cat one.
We just unboxed it. I don't have it. We unboxed Grease's last week. I got a pass
Oh,
there.
man.
No, I don't
Okay.
have one of these. I
Okay.
should though.
It's going home with her after
Oh
this
my
video.
God.
Anyway, lovelies.
All right, ladies. Well,
I hope you liked it. We
yeah,
always
please
have
hit
fun.
a thumbs up
Yeah.
and
Keep on smiling.